Hi, my name's Alana MG. I'm a Girl Scout troop leader for the Girl Scouts of Greater of Los Angeles, and I sit on the board for Pregnancy Counseling Center of Mission Hills. I think that when I'm comfortable being Alana, my girls that I'm working with, they're comfortable being themselves. I'm wacky, I have high energy, I'm silly, I say things. I don't really define into like a box of like I'm an authority figure. My leadership shines through me being myself, and the girls I work with, they get to follow that in a natural, organic environment, and therefore they get to be themselves and they get to discover who they are. My name is Alana MG, and I'm a 2016 We Are Women honoree.